Hi, I'm Dr. Veronica Grassi and I work as a consultant oncoplastic breast surgeon at Mediclinic City Hospital. Oncoplastic breast surgery combines the complete removal of a breast cancer with conservative and plastic surgery techniques in order to achieve the best cosmetic outcome. Preserving the shape and symmetry after breast cancer excision is paramount in the treatment of the breast cancer itself, because through these techniques we can restore the body image and improve the sense of well-being and the patient's confidence. In our breast unit at Mediclinic City Hospital, we can offer a wide variety of breast oncoplastic procedures, from the therapeutic mammoplasties to the round blocks, fat transfer to the breast, local perforator flaps, mastectomies with immediate or delayed reconstruction. Our patients can rely on professional and compassionate care delivered by a team of dedicated radiologists, oncologists, and surgeons. If you have any concerns in your breasts, or if you need any breast checkup, please come and visit us in our breast unit at Mediclinic City Hospital.